Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to prove the summation property of cube roots of unity, which is the sum of cube roots of unity is 0, i.e. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. 1 omega and omega squares are the cube roots of unity. As we know that omega omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota cube root 3 divided by 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2. Now sum of the cube roots of unity 1 plus omega square is equal to 1 plus insert the value of omega, which is minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2 plus omega square. The value of omega square is minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2. 2 is LCM. So LCM divided by denominator of 1, which is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied with 1 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 multiplied with minus 1 plus iota cube root 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 multiplied with minus 1 minus iota square root 3. Denominator 2. 2 multiplied with 1 is 2, plus 1 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 1, plus iota square root 3, plus 1 multiplied with minus 1 into minus iota 3 is minus 1, minus iota square root 3, plus iota square root 3 cancels out with minus iota square root 3, and 2 minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2 divided by 2. So we have 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Hence we have proved that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.